Alright YouTube, I'm doing a bike check on my S&M right here. See it? I got my bar. Shake a booty. Okay. My bars are proper. I got duo grips, slice stem, S&M frame, Josh sticker frame, failure green forks, gold Haro rim, Eastern Stealth cranks, fly chain wheel, E-clat seat and seat post, fly black seat clamp, Verdi outer wall, piece of shit spokes, piece of shit nipples, and a red Haro hub, 9-tooth, KCM chain, and that's my bike check. Oh yeah. Ask me, tell me if you want to trade parts. Hit me up, leave some comments, shake your booty, keep shaking it. Tell your mom I love her.